Hey mathematicians, it's Miss Pedersen. I am here to finish our story, The King's Commissioners. Now, if you remember, the king was trying to count his commissioners. I also gave you a question to think about while we were reading, and I'm going to remind you of that question. It was, how does grouping help us in math? So how does putting things together help us when we're doing math? Now, as we were reading, if you remember, the first royal advisor counted the commissioners, and the second royal advisor counted the commissioners. The first royal advisor got 23 twos and one more. So he made groups of two. The second royal advisor got 9 fives and two more, grouped by 5. And where we left off, the princess wanted to group by 10s. So hopefully you did some math work and you have some solutions. We're going to finish the story and see what happens. Okay, so the king says that the princess can go ahead and try. So it says, following the king's orders, the royal organizer arranged the commissioners in rows of 10. How many were there? There were 4 rows and 7 commissioners left over. Whoa! Check it out. Okay. The princess stood in front of the first row of commissioners. 10, she said. Then she walked to the second row. 20, she said to the next. 30, 40, plus 7 more makes 47. So she counted by 10s and then added on those 7. The princess looked up at the king. There are 47 commissioners all together. The king was amazed and proud. What a thinker, he exclaimed. Ooh, okay. The first royal advisor felt a bit annoyed. That's the same number I got, he said testily. 23 twos make 46. 1 more makes 47. I got 47 too, added the second royal advisor. 9 fives plus 9 fives make 45, plus 2 more make 47. The king looked confused. They're right, Daddy, said the princess. You can count in lots of ways. She pointed to the first royal advisor's tally marks and counted 2, 4, 6, and so on. So she counted up all these 2s and got to 46. And then 1 more made 47. Is that what you did? Next, the princess pointed to the second royal advisor's tally marks and counted by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. And 2 more, 45, 46, 47. So once she added 2 more, she got to 47 again. Here we go. All well and good, said the king. We have 47 royal commissioners all together. Then he thought for a few minutes. That's not so many, he said. We can still have more. Then I think we should have a commissioner to keep count of the royal commissioners, suggested the first royal advisor. Good idea, agreed the king. He looked down at the princess. If you weren't so busy with school, I'd give you the job. Maybe when I grow up. For now, I think I'd rather be a princess. So, mathematicians, I'm wondering what answers you got. Did you figure out that the first royal advisor and the second royal advisor got the same exact answer, but they were counting in different ways? So then to organize them by tens, the princess put them in 4 rows, 10, 20, 30, 40, and then there were 7 left over, which makes 47. So all of them got 47 commissioners. So now I want you to think about how grouping helps us in math. Did you think it was easiest to count by 2s or 5s? Or did you think it was easiest to count by 10s? By putting those numbers in groups, it helped us organize, right? It helps you to organize. The king, counting by 1s, he lost track pretty quickly. But when you put them in groups and organize, it helps you keep track and get an accurate count. Okay, thanks for listening, and I can't wait to talk to you soon.